Good afternoon everyone. Now we are going to perform the experiment to find the unit weight of soil by using the core cutter method. As you can see, this is the core cutter. This is cylindrical in shape. Now we are lubricating the whole internal surface of the cylinder core cutter with the help of the soil. Now we will take this to the ground in order to find the unit weight of soil by inserting this into the ground. Which is the total diameter and total height of this core cutter. And you can see that the internal diameter of this core cutter is 10 centimeter. Internal diameter is 10 centimeter and height is 13 centimeter. Now we are going to weight this core cutter with the help of this weighting machine. Now I am putting this core cutter in this weighting machine. Now we can see the weight of this core cutter is 1612.43 grams. Okay, now we are inside. Now we are going to determine the unit weight of this soil with the help of this core cutter method. We are going to inserting this core cutter in the soil. First we have to dig this whole area in a circular manner with the help of this soil, and after that we will put that core cutter in that soil and we will stamp that with the help of this hammer. This ground at a circular manner. Now okay. Now I am going to placing this core cutter in this soil with the help of this hammer. By stamping into it, we can progressively insert this down up to that upper circle with the help of stamping with this hammer. আমি চালাবো এখন চুপ চুপ না কোদাল পারবে খবরের বাংলাটা কোদালটা আপনি কি বাঁশ গাছ নতুন যখন শুরু করবে বলে আর তুমি এখানে ডবল কো পেয়েছো বলো okay. As you can see, you can place the core cutter into the soil. Now we are getting this out from the soil with the help of this digging bar. As we are cutting the soil in order to get this core cutter out from the soil with the help of this digging bar. In order to get this core cutter out from this soil, we have to maintain some safety precautions such that it doesn't move, such that this core cutter doesn't move. Otherwise, the error may be come. আজকে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না হিলছে দেখো এখানে ঝাড়গ্রামের মাঝে বাড়ি মাঝে Now we are going এই যখন তুলেছিলাম ভিডিও করেছিলি থাকলে তবে না কাজ কেটে ঘষ কেটে ফার্স্টে বলা হচ্ছিল সেটা ওর জন্য এক দুটো বাদ দিয়ে দেবো ঠিক আছে কিছু আমি ওয়েট করব হ্যাঁ নেগলেক্ট করে দিই আমি না বেশি ঢুকে দিয়েছি তো অনেকটা ভিতরে কিছু হবে না যারা স্যার এখন আসেন 3 কেজি 485 3 কেজি 485 গ্রাম গ্রামে 3 কিলো 485 গ্রাম 3 কিলো 400 Okay, now we are going to wetting this core cutter filled with soil, which is from the ground. We have to fill this soil and wetting the soil, which is 3.484 kg. Find the weight of this container along with the lead, container plus total lead. As you can see, the weight of this container is 25.11 grams.
এইটা করে ওটার ওয়েটটা করেছো? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ মাঝখান থেকে নেবে।
Now we are going to filling this soil from the core cutter into container.
ব্যাস ছেড়ে দে হয়ে গেছে।
Okay, now we are going to filling this soil from the core cutter into this container. Okay, now we fill the soil from core cutter into this container. Now going to wet this soil in the wetting machine. Hence, this is the weight of this soil along with container, which is 51.23 grams. Okay, now I have filled the soil in this container, and now we are going to place this soil into this oven for 24 hours at 110 degrees Celsius, so that all water content from the soil may get evaporated. Okay. Now going to weigh the dry soil sample, which is 47.65 grams.